most of us, the only visible parts of the Annacis Island wastewater treatment plant are these white domes beside the Alex Fraser Bridge. But the domes are just a small part of the plant. In fact, the site is 126 acres in size, and it's buzzing with construction activity.
It's upgrading in every area of the plant. There isn't an area of the plant that is not upgrading, adding capacity, putting in new equipment.
Annacis Island wastewater treatment plant serves 1.2 million people. The upgrades and expansions, seen here in blue and green, will increase that number to 1.5 million people and will improve the plant's high standard of environmental protection.
We are looking down the road. Metro always looks down the road what may be coming and what we may need to add. You have to prepare now. You have to do it. You can't wait. You cannot wait. And this project represents an investment of approximately $1 billion. And it's needed because the plant was really reaching its ultimate limit. And we're in the highest growth area of Metro Vancouver.
Before site construction began, 5,000 stone columns were driven into the earth for added ground stability. And new infrastructure is chosen with potential earthquakes in mind. For example, these pipes are designed to flex during seismic activity.
This new structures will manage to survive during a post-disaster, up to a 9 earthquake.
Some of the existing equipment is being replaced with new models, chosen for durability and maintenance ease. These are secondary clarifiers, which do the final cleaning before the water is discharged to the Fraser River.
Clarifiers are a perfect example of that. We're getting new mechanisms that'll last up to 50 years instead of 20 years. We're also looking around at the infrastructure using robot cameras and checking out to make sure that the current old infrastructure is going to maintain through the whole life of the plant.
A major part of the site's expansion is the new Outfall Pipe, which will take clean, treated wastewater from the plant to the Fraser River.
The Outfall Pipe itself is going to be quite deep underground, about 30 meters below ground, which is really deep. And the reason for that is to provide seismic resiliency in the event of an earthquake. And as far as capacity, it's going to be actually twice the capacity of the existing outfall. It's being built to be able to serve the area for 100 years into the future. In addition to that, right now it's going to be gravity fed. We know that things are changing due to climate change. This river is connected to the ocean, so as sea level rises, this river level is going to rise as well. And when that happens, it's going to have to be pumped to the river. So we've worked that into the design so that a pump station can be accommodated when it's needed.
The new Outfall project includes engagement with a wide range of groups, including First Nation communities.
We're currently working with the Ministry of the Environment, Transport Canada, and the Port of Vancouver and several others. Through this process, we're also engaging with 21 First Nations to ensure that we share project information with them, get their feedback on any concerns that they may have, and try to address that where possible in our project scope.
Upgrades are also improving the plant's ability to generate much of its own electricity and heat. This is already happening by using the gas generated by the wastewater treatment process. But these new engines will more than double that capacity, saving money and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Wastewater treatment methods are always evolving, and the expansion at the Annacis Island plant is designed to keep the door open to future adaptation.
We have always recognized that a high-level wastewater treatment is a cornerstone for environmental and public health, and we continually try to improve and innovate for even better level of treatment.